My darling, I am gonna tell you how to finger a woman so good that she cannot stop squirting. And let me tell you, there's a huge mistake that a lot of men make. It's that one mistake that when they don't do this, it kills the mood, it kills the vibe, it kills our vagina, where we just wanna close up like a little clam, hiding that beautiful pearl from you. So I am Arica Angelo. Hit that subscribe button and baby, let's go. Listen, when it comes to fingering us women, it all starts off with the beginning of how you set things up. Meaning, when you are inside of us, just know that this is a very embarrassing place to have you. It's a very sacred place. And so when we expose that to you, then guess what? That means we trust you. So when you get started, what you want to do is you want to build trust with her. You want to let her know, listen, woman, when I am inside of you, I am going to take care of you. You're going to feel so good. Your body is going to experience some orgasms you've never had before. And I am just the man to bring that to you. I am the man to set that precedence and to deliver that experience to your body. So one of the first things that you can do before you even touch her body is to get into her mental, get inside of her head, let her know that you are the confident man to make this happen. I have my 20 best sexual questions to ask a woman. It's completely free. I want you to take that and I want you to start asking her those questions. I want you to lead from there. Why? Because when you ask her these questions, what you are doing is you are setting yourself up as the leader, the guy who is going to lead her body into the promised land of endless orgasms. So I want you to take that guide. I want you to have a handful of those so that when you're intimate with her, you can begin to ask her those questions, and you can even set it up before you guys get started through text message, through conversation. But let her know that because you know to ask these questions, that you also know how to do exactly what her body needs for you to do. So when you're inside of her and you're going into her body, I always want to encourage you guys to set it up slow. Set up that foreplay. Don't just go inside of her immediately. Play with those labia walls. Gently massage them. Make sure that there's some moisture there before you get started. Don't just rub her dry. You don't want your balls rubbed dry. You don't want your dick rubbed dry. She doesn't want to be just crammed with dry, raw fingers. So build that moisture by playing on the outside, playing with the clitoris, building up that stimulation, getting her excited for the experience that she's about to have with you. And then you want to go in sort of slow and you want to start bringing it out. And you know, if you've never fingered a woman before, I have you covered. I do have my fingering her into ecstasy. If you've never done it before, or if women don't typically respond well to you when you're fingering them, make sure you get it. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. It's also a part of my oral obsession bundle where I teach you about squirting, about fingering, about eating us. All of those things can be found in that oral obsession. So when you're inside of her and then you've built it up, now you know if you want to make her squirt that there's that certain hand movement that I show you inside the oral obsession with the squirting method. But here's where most men get it wrong. One, they go in too fast and they go in with really dry hands. This is a disaster. In fact, in the comment sections, just tell me, avoid the disaster. That is a disaster that most men make. But here's where it goes wrong. It's when you are inside and you're going too slow, and you learn in the squirting method that eventually once you start hearing those juices flowing, you want to build it up and you want to go back. That's what it sounds like. You're going to hear it inside of her. This is where most men get it wrong. And this is where you, my darling, are not going to get it wrong. Is you're going to apply that pressure. You're not going to hurt her if she is already wet. She's already lubricated. Her walls have opened up to you because you started off with her mental, asking her those questions. You then built up that momentum by going in slowly, showing her that you'll protect her, that she can trust you. You've done all of that. But now when the floodgates have opened, it's time to go big, go hard, and go fast. Meaning when you're inside and you've got that specific hand movement, you want to go super, 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 super fast. And that is her letting you bring her to this ultimate pleasure when she is moaning, when she is screaming. This is not the time to pull back. This is not the time to go slow. This is not the time to withdraw. This is the time for you to step in all of your confidence, trusting yourself in that moment, trusting your body, trusting your feelings, and giving her that ultimate explosive orgasm. And this is how you finger a woman so good that she can't stop squirting. And here's the thing, please do not get this wrong. Even if she starts to squirt a little, you do not pull out and go, whoa, that was amazing. No, there's so much goodness in between her legs that if you will just keep going and don't stop. In fact, in the comment section, write a separate comment. Just keep going. If you keep going, there is more goodness that will continue to pour out of her vagina. But you have to trust yourself. You have to believe in yourself that you can give her this experience. And trust me, you can. So here is a video that YouTube thinks you should watch. I hope that you have hit that subscribe button right now, and I've got a video coming out every Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, and I will see you there.